Hello friends, how are you all? Today I am going to show you the maintenance part of Himalayan. Today I will show you how to maintain your rear disc brake, removing the disc pads, cleaning it and putting it back, or if the brake pads are worn, how to change the brake pads. I will show you. It's very easy friends. For that we need only two tools. One is plier and another one is screwdriver. For cleaning the brake pads we need one sandpaper. Now we will see the procedure. Friends, first you have to remove these two pins with the help of screwdriver and cutting plier. Just hold the pins. If you can pull with the screwdriver, pull it off. Like this. Same way the second pin also we can remove. Keep it aside. Now this is the another pin. Just push it and like this and pull it with your hands, it will come out. This is the pin, keep it aside. Remove the brake pads from its place. Friends, these are the two brake pads which were removed from its caliber. See, the pad condition is okay, no need to replace. See the thickness, it's still 50% remaining, so no need to replace it. Just we will clean it and put it back. For that you need a emery paper. Just clean the dust. Same way second one also. Rub it lightly, don't do it roughly, otherwise the brake pads will be worn off. Now insert the pin from back side. See, like this. This is the piston. Make sure that it's moving freely. Now insert the pads. Here it will be locked on one side. Now this hole should match with the pin. Now push the pin. Same way, put the second disc pad also. Now see, both pads are fitted. Now push the pin this way. insert the lock pins. Push it with hand. It should sit here. Same way the second pin. I am inserting the second pin also and push it back. Now check the free play of the wheel. Now it's ready. Friends, it's very simple. Now brakes are ready. If the pads are worn out, you can replace the older pads with new one in the same way. Friends, one more secret is here. The Himalayan rear brake pads are very much costly. The set is costing near about 2000 plus, but you can fit the brake pads of Classic also in Himalayan. Both are same. You can use that one. That's costing near about 240 rupees something. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching my video. Friends, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel Biker Ageless.